Hi friends, today we're taking the classic New England corn chowder, and I am using ingredients from all around the world because we live in the future and we can use whatever we want. And we're making corn chowder 2.0 in Buenos Aires, and it's going to be fantastic. You're gonna love it. This is great in the winter with frozen corn, and it's great in the summer with fresh corn. Here in Buenos Aires, it is the summer and I have fresh corn. So let's cut it. Just kind of go like this. And now, our potatoes. So if they're big, my recommendation is maybe to quarter them like this. And if they're small, I would say just in half. Once that water's boiling, we'll put these potatoes in. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab this onion. Onion is a wonderful ingredient. I love it. It adds flavor, it adds sweetness. I mean, corn is already sweet, but this gets even sweeter when you add some lovely onion to the dish as well. We're gonna take some tomatoes also, so we can have those in the meantime. Water's boiling. Some salt. Okay, potatoes in. Although this corn chowder is inspired by the coconut curries of Thailand, I'm not really following their prescription for the most authentic thing. But I'm picking the flavors that I like. I love the coconut flavor. It's round, it's warm, it's wonderful. I love the little bit of heat that you get from the tiniest bit of curry paste. And I love the zing of ginger. You can always use more or less if you want, but I love this. So I like to start with a neutral oil, like grapeseed or peanut oil. And you only need a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons. And we go straight in with the onion. Traditional Thai curry uses fish sauce. What is fish sauce? Fish sauce is anchovy water, which means, in my opinion, especially if we're not following tradition, we can start with anchovies, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. 1, 2, 3, 4, what the heck, we'll use all 5 anchovies. Okay? This is green curry paste. It's strong stuff. I recommend you try it, just a tiny bit, so you can see what's going on. Lemongrass, garlic, curry. There's so many things in here. So here's about, I don't know, half a tablespoon. And let's come in with our ginger. There's something about these bright flavors that make this taste like a summertime dish. Coconut milk, really, really wonderful, okay? So start with just a little bit first. I don't want to be dumping in everything in full quantity at the beginning. I want to feel it out. All right, let's get our potatoes in. Starchy, nice. Stir. And now sweet summer corn or frozen winter corn. Either one works. Now that we've got the potatoes in here and they're releasing starch, you can see the viscosity has gone up. This has become thicker. So what do? We add vegetable stock. A little bit of sugar, really nice to sweeten it up. I say we turn it to low. We put the heat on and just let everything become one big happy family. 10 minutes have elapsed. Some tomatoes, just to add a little freshness and some brightness. Corn chowder 2.0, my friends. I'm really, really digging the tarragon down here. Okay, let's try it. So good. This is everything that I want in a summertime soup or a wintertime soup. It's really warm, I feel it in here, but also coconut milk heated up. It has this really healthy, fat taste to it that I love. It feels comforting.